Hey guys, so for today's episode, we have our buddy Ron's Sentra SR here, and they don't have any aftermarket exhausts currently for this car. But this is Mills Garage Customs, and today we're gonna fix that. Stay tuned. Yeah, so this car looks, wow, this car looks really, really nice. I haven't seen a lot of these, but a fully blacked out Sentra these days looks amazing. Just wow. I never thought I'd say that. But we have these awesome pipes right here. All stainless steel. We even have this nice Megan Racing exhaust tip. We'll show you that in the end. But we're gonna be doing a cold start, just to show you guys what this sounds like, and then we're gonna lift it up in the air and put this all together. Yeah. Did you turn the car on?
It's on.
Okay. Yeah, we'll fix that.
You just hear the engine, that's it?
Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, I mean this is like, if it was to blow on me, it's like soft. But yeah, we're gonna fix that. All right, and this is what we're looking at. This is why it was so quiet right here, like for real, not waking up any neighbors. And what do you remember the diameter?
This was 2 inch.
2 inch. All right. So, like we said before, they don't have any aftermarket exhausts for this car, and at 2 inches, you know, it sounds really, really quiet. So, all of the piping that we got is 2.5 inches, and all of our exhausts here at Mills Garage Customs are full in their diameter all the way through. So what we're going to be doing is putting the flange right here, and then we're going to be building off of there a full 2.5 inch straight pipe exhaust. And yeah, then we'll let you guys at home hear how it sounds. I think it's gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. So first we gotta take all this off. All right. So our plan is to come off here, and we're gonna go down this little passageway, and then we gotta bend. And we gotta bend and bend and bend, and then, yeah, we're gonna put the exhaust tip right there. Yep.
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah.
Cool. we are, and what we've done is we've come off this flange right here. We've come back this way over here. Got a 90, and we're tucked up there. Comes back up around here. Look at this. It's just so perfect, this fitment. And that is, when we lower it down, you'll be able to see, but this is like literally, with the blacked out car, it's so difficult. But it is centered out as much as you could possibly be. We don't like any of our exhausts ever leaking, so what we're gonna do now is drop down the pipe and weld everything up, and then we will put it back up there, and then weld this hanger up there. So, almost done. Good. Yep, so that is creating a non-existent custom exhaust for a Sentra SR, and if you made it this far, you liked the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. So now, I'm gonna show you this beautiful, it's immaculate, this gorgeous exhaust. Look at what we did. So it came right off here, and down, I got a 90. Got another 90, 45, 45. Wow. And finished all off with the Megan tip on there. This is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Yep, so now we're gonna lower this down, let you guys at home hear how it sounds. Sweet. Ready? Go for it. That is so much deeper.
Sounds good.
I think it sounds great. I mean, you know what? It has sound.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it'll sound way different when it's under load too.
Yeah, yeah. Woo! It's awesome. Perfect. That's cool.
Love it.
Yeah. Awesome work, buddy. Woo! Woo! You. Aha. That's cool. Yep. Cool.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. And we'll see you next time.
Cool. So we got Ron here.
What's up? What's up?
Make sure to follow Ron on Instagram, and he's gonna rev it up real quick now that it's all warmed up. That's awesome. Oh, what do you think, boss?
I love it, man.
Oh,
Appreciate it for sure.
woo! Sweet. Ron's Sentra RS. And for these Sentras, they don't have any aftermarket exhausts currently for sale.
SR.
What did I say?
RS.
RS? Damn, that's all right, RS.
Scrap all that.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.